In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror updates to multiple boards simultaneously in Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser, sign in, and head straight to the workspace in the left sidebar where your boards live. Once you're there, click the board you want to use as the main hub. This is the board where you'll manage connected work and view updates from multiple places without bouncing back and forth. Now move to the top of your board and click the plus icon to the right of your last column header. In the search bar, type Connect Boards. As the results appear, click Connect Boards. A setup window will open and ask which boards you want to link. Click Select Boards. In the search field, look for your first board and select it. Then search for your second board and select that one as well. Before confirming, check the option for a two-way connection. That's what makes linked items appear on both sides, so the relationship works in both directions. Now click Connect Boards to confirm. If another prompt appears, click I'll do it later to move on. You'll now see a new Connect Boards column added to your main board. Next, you need to link the actual items. Click inside the Connect Board cell. For your first item, a drop-down will open with items from the connected boards. At the top, use the board selector and switch to Design Tasks. Find the matching task and check the box beside it. Then switch the drop-down to your second connected board. Find the matching marketing task and check that box too. Click anywhere outside the drop-down to close it. Repeat that same process for the rest of your project items, linking each one to the related design and marketing entries. When you're done, each cell in that column should show linked items from both boards. Now let's mirror the status. Click the plus icon to add another column. In the search bar, type Mirror, then select Mirror from the results. In the Setup dialog, click Connect, then choose Connect Boards. From the list of available columns, select Status. After the mirror column appears, double-click the column header and type Design and Marketing Status. Give it a second as you enter that name, so it's easy to recognize later. At this point, your main board is set up to display the status values coming from both connected boards. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To verify that everything is syncing live, open the first connected board from the left sidebar. Find the first item and change its status from working on it to done. Then go back to your main board and look at the mirror column for that same project. You should now see Done reflected there, showing that updates are syncing across boards in real time. That's the full setup. Once connected, this gives you a much cleaner way to track work across teams while keeping one central view in Monday.com.